checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. That I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Calling, calling, calling. I'm calling, 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 calling. Shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna talk to you guys about my new radio I got in Phoenix. So I already installed it, so I'm just gonna show you guys how does it work. It's just plug and play, and yep, I'm gonna show you guys right now. So see you guys in my car. Alright guys, so we're back to my car. It's a basic model, if you guys could see. Sorry for the mess. My seats still basic. So this is my radio I just installed. If you guys want me to make a video of the installation, comments below this video and I'll make it, so you guys could know how to install it. But it's pretty easy, just plug and play. It's no difficult to install it. Anybody could do it. It's not hard. So right now it has navigation, the radio right here. Just the radio. Pretty nice. Okay. It has for Bluetooth. It has, turn that off, sorry guys. So it has for Bluetooth. Right here in the bottom is for the AC. You just tap it right here. Okay. And then right here it tells you the AC, the defroster, AC max, so whatever you want. Okay. Now if you got a USB, you could go to like 2 videos and it's gonna pop out right there, whatever. But I don't have videos. I think this video just came with it. I don't know what is it. So yeah, it's pretty nice, no problems. Go to settings. Go to maps. That's maps right here. Okay. You have to connect your Wi-Fi on it. You could use your phone for hotspot. That works. That's what I do. I use my hotspot. It works pretty good, no problem. You could use your navigation, playing music at the same time. It doesn't have no problem. So, yep. You just have to have good internet. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to radio settings. That's camera. So if you have a camera, I don't have one right now. I need to order mine. I didn't order it. But you put camera. It has camera for the back right there, and it has camera for the front. But I don't have no camera, so that's why it says no signal. You reach your speed meter. What else? You can watch movies. You could go to YouTube. I have YouTube right here. I'm gonna show you guys. Go to YouTube. back home. Okay, I'm gonna go settings. I'll show you guys how to go to YouTube. I don't get it. Okay, go there. Okay, I'm gonna go to Pandora. It has Pandora app. It works fine. No problem. You just have to have good Wi-Fi, so it could work perfect. That's the thing about it. Yeah, my internet's too slow right now. Yeah. There you go. You just have to have good internet. Okay, let's search. I'm gonna search. I'm gonna put search. I'm gonna put YG right here. Put YG. You guys can see it works. It's pretty cool. When you open your doors, it tells you. See right there? Open door. You close it. Takes off. You open the right door. It tells you. So if you have an open door, it tells you, lets you know. You could buy the tire temperature, tire pressure sensors. It tells you too if you buy that. That's not included. With the radio, you have to buy that separately. And yeah, whatever, my internet's too slow. So I'm gonna go settings. And I'm gonna go to okay, let me see. I'm gonna go to app list. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go to app list. So we're gonna go to YouTube right here. All right, so I have a mess right here. Okay, so when you guys install this, you guys gonna pull this off from here. You pull this out, and then you pull. First, you take this thing off, this chrome thing. You pull it off, then you pull this plastic off. It's all together. All this all together. Okay, when you take that off, there's gonna be a screw over here and another screw over there. You take those screws off and the radio's gonna pop out. But then the original radio, it has a screw here, a screw over here, and then the another piece inside is gonna have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But this one only has 1, 2, and it has clips in the side, but it doesn't take no more screws no more. Okay, here it is. So this is YouTube, and I was watching this one, watching that video. I'm gonna show you guys. It works pretty good.
What's that?
Alright, we're gonna skip it. Show you. So that's a YouTube channel that I watch. Jacob. Pretty nice Mustang he has. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone, and thanks for coming back for another YouTube video. My name is Jacob Ardoni,
yep.
And today we're going to be grabbing some breakfast with some of my friends.
Pretty
Anthony,
clean.
you guys have seen with the S550.
Can make the full screen on it.
I think it's a nice day to have some golf, so we're going to see how terrible I am. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my car. It's a 2013.
Back and yeah, that's pretty much. Could go to the internet. Like an example, we're gonna go. There we go. You go to Google. It has Facebook, Instagram. You go to all that, whatever you want to do. And it has auxiliary, but you don't really use that because you have Bluetooth on it. If you go here, file manager. Let's see. I think that's all the settings. You can move around the radio. Find a new version, update. No, I'm not gonna update it right now. Update later. You could put like a USB. You could pass like movies, whatever, to the memory card from the radio, but I don't recommend that. I'd rather leave it the USB connected because you don't want to fill up the memory from the radio and then it's gonna be slower and then it's gonna take a long time. So just use your USB. I'll go to app list. Yep, there you go. See, you guys have tire temperature, but I don't have the sensors. You could buy them separately, and yeah, I just don't have it. I'll go back. Pictures. You guys could, if you guys want to add a different picture, this is my pictures. You guys have to contact Phoenix. I'll leave the link below the description so you guys could check it out, or you guys could call them and they'll send you guys like a update. So you guys could change like this Mustang picture. You guys could change a lot of stuff if you guys don't like it. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much. Works good. I like it. I don't have no trouble with it. And yeah, that's about it. Let me see. Camera settings. And it has equalizer, language, date, reset, touch key. Right here you have to set up your steering wheel. So this is the thing. Okay, I'm gonna go to radio.
I mean, she's talking about him
I'm gonna put the volume down. Put the volume down. And right here, you just have to program it. So right here, you just put the volume up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, I think that's the obvious.
Put the volume down.
And every time she says to get back into that same situation.
Put the volume down. You just program your steering wheel to the radio. It doesn't come programmed. You have to program it. You just go to wheel settings, and it has that on the side, and you program it. GPS navigation, date, equalizer. You can move everything, move the base. Alright, let's go to more settings. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You just plug and play. You guys don't have to take it to the shop or tell somebody to do it for you guys. It's just come and play, plug and play, and yeah, it's not hard. So back up, Google, location. Yeah. So every time you, an example, you have your car on. Watch, I'm gonna start my car. I'm gonna start my car. about to go reverse, this is what I like. The camera shows up. So right now I'm in reverse and the camera's on, but I don't have the camera yet. I'm waiting for it. If you guys want me to make the video connecting the camera or installing my radio, because I have to take my radio off to install my camera so I can make a video there. How do I install my radio, all the plugs, whatever I put in the back, and I could show you guys what I have, so you guys could see how. But let me know, comment below if you guys like me to do a video like that. It's up to you guys. So yep. So right now my check engine light on because I don't have no cats, but whatever, I just take it off with the SCT tuner. And yep, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so see you guys next time.